the sum of the first 20 multiples of 7 is 1,470. So, there are some students na kapag alam na nila, hindi na sila nakikinig sa teacher nila or hindi na nila tinatapos yung video kasi feeling nila nagets na nila. So, class, wag po kayong magmadali. Hintayin po ninyo kung ano ba talaga yung tamang proseso kasi sa pagmamadali natin, kaya tayo nagkakamali sa solution natin. Good day, everyone. So our lesson for today is about determining the sum of an arithmetic sequence. So in solving the sum of an arithmetic sequence, we can use it's either of the two formulas. Our first example is that find the sum of the first 10 terms of the arithmetic sequence 11, 15, 19, and 23. So, kailangan daw nating malaman kung kapag pinag-add mo yung first 10 terms, ano yung magiging sum nila. Okay? So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin is to write all the given. Okay, so ano ba yung mga given natin? We have a sub 1, and then common difference, and then n. So, isulat natin lahat ng ating given. Okay, so our a sub 1 or the first term is equal to 11. Common difference, 23 minus 19, the answer is 4. 19 minus 15 is 4. 15 minus 11 is equal to 4. So, therefore, the common difference is equal to 4. And then, yung n natin, sabi dito, pang 10 terms. So, therefore, the value of n is equal to 10. Okay, so ang gagamitin po natin na formula is that, okay, so ang gagamitin natin na formula, ito yung nasa baba, which is s sub n is equal to n divides 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. So, yan po yung formula na gagamitin natin. So, we have s sub n is equal to n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. Okay. So, given ba yung n? Yes. Given yung a sub 1? Yes. Given ba ang a sub n? So, of course not. So, therefore, si a sub n muna yung hahanapin natin. Alam natin na hanggang i-add natin yung hanggang 10 terms. Pero, hindi natin alam kung ano yung value ng pang-sampung term. Kaya, yan muna yung isosolve natin kasi kailangan sa formula natin. At alam natin na yung formula natin in finding the a sub n is that we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. We have the given, all we need to do is to substitute. So, therefore, we have a sub 10. So, hahanapin natin kung ano yung value ng pang 10th term natin. So, a sub 10 is equal to a sub 1, which is equal to 11 plus n, which is 10, minus 1 times the common difference, which is 4. So, we have a sub 10 is equal to 11 plus 10 minus 1, that is equal to 9 times 4. So, we have a sub 10 is equal to, so, hindi natin pwedeng ipag-add kasi nga may PEMDAS rule tayo. So, i-multiply muna natin to. 9 times 4 is, okay, 9 times 4 is equal to 36. 36 plus 11, the value is 47. So, therefore, using this formula, nalaman natin na yung value pala ng pang 10th term is equal to 47. So, because we do have the value of a sub 10, we can now solve for the sum of the first 10 terms. Now, let's use this formula in solving the sum of the first 10 terms given the arithmetic sequence 11, 15, 19, and 23. So, nandito yung ating given. Ito pa rin yung gagamitin natin. So, substitute all the given to the given formula. We have S sub what? S sub 10 is equal to n. Ito yung susundin natin na formula. And the value of n is equal to 10 divides what? Divides 2. 2 is constant. And then times a sub 1. A sub 1 is equal to 11, which is the first term, plus a sub n. Ano nga yung value ng a sub n natin? We have 47. So, s sub 10 is equal to 10 divides 2, that is equal to 5. And then times 11 plus 47. The answer is equal to 58. Okay, so we have 58 here. Okay, so we have S sub 10. Again, yung operation na gagawin kapag parenthesis yan is multiplication. So, if you are going to multiply 5 times 58, the answer is 290. So, therefore, the sum of the first 10 terms given this arithmetic sequence is 290. Now, let's proceed to our example number 2. What is the sum of all multiples of 3 between 10 and 100? So, we should analyze the given first bago mag-proceed sa ating solution. So, sabi dito, ano daw yung sum ng lahat ng multiples of 3 sa gitna ni 10 and 100? So, bago tayo mag-proceed, of course, we should write all the given. So, we have 3. So, ibig sabihin, kung multiples of 3 yan, automatically, that will be our common difference. So, our common difference is equal to 3. So, ngayon, between 10 and 100, multiples of 3 daw. Ibig sabihin, si 10 at si 100, hindi yan sila kasama. Kasi nga, si 10 is not a multiple of 3 and also 100 at between. So, pag sinabi natin between, sa kalagitnaan ni, hindi sila kasama. So, therefore, our a sub 1 is equal to what? Our a sub 1 is equal to 12. So, after 10 is 11. Si 11, hindi siya multiples of 3. So, what about 12? 12 is a multiple of 3. So, therefore, a sub 1 is equal to 12. So, ano yung nasa gitna ni 10 at ni 100 na pinaka-last term natin? So, that is 99. So, therefore, our a sub n is equal to 99. Is 99 multiples of 3? Yes. Diba? So, therefore, our a sub n is equal to 99. So, what about the value of n? So, ibig sabihin ng n, from a sub 1 to a sub n, ilan lahat yung ating term? So, hindi po natin alam. So, therefore, we should solve first for the value of n by using the formula a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. For us to solve the value of n or ilan lahat yung term from 12 to 99, ito yung gagamitin natin na formula. So, our a sub n is equal to what? Is equal to 99 is equal to a sub 1, that is equal to 12 plus, so wala tayong value ni n, kaya copy n minus 1 times the common difference, which is equal to 3. Okay, so lahat ng kasama ni n, kailangan matanggal natin. Meaning to say, we should isolate n. Kapag isolate, naka-quarantine, walang kasama. Okay, so therefore, tatanggalin natin lahat ng kasama ni n. So, unang kasama ni n dyan is 12. So, for us to eliminate 12, we should subtract that by itself. So, kung ano yung ginawa natin dito sa kanan, dapat gagawin din natin sa kaliwa. So, if we will going to subtract 12 by itself, therefore, magsusubtract din tayo dito. Magiging 99 minus 12 is equal to 12 minus 12 times n minus 1 times the common difference. So, nakaantabay yung aking cycle dito. So, 99. So, we have 99. Yan. 99 minus 12. The result is equal to 87. So, we have 99 minus 12 is 87 is equal to 12 minus 12 is equal to 0 or cancel out. Naiwan sino? naiwan si n minus 1 times the common difference. May kasama pa rin ba si n? Yes, and that is negative 1 and 3, or 1 and 3 rather. Okay, so for us to eliminate 3, we will going to divide both side by positive 3. So kung magdi-divide ka dito sa right, magdi-divide ka din dito sa left. Okay, so magiging 87 divides 3 is equal to, the result is 29. So 87 divides 3 is equal to 29 is equal to, okay, so cancel out. Sino na iwan? We have n minus 1. Okay, may kasama pa din ba si n? Yes, may kasama pa siya. And that is 1. So therefore, we will going to add 1 para ma-eliminate siya, because negative 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. So kung mag-a-add tayo dito ng 1, mag-a-add din tayo dito sa left. So we have 29 plus 1 is equal to n minus 1 plus 1. 29 minus 1, that is equal to 30 is equal to negative 1 plus 1, cancel out kasi magiging 0, na iwan si n. So therefore, the value of our n is equal to 30. Ang ibig sabihin ni 30, yung number of terms pala from 12 to 99 is equal to 30. So dahil may value na tayo ng n natin, sasagutan na natin kung ano ba talaga yung pinapahanap sa atin or tinatanong sa atin. Kasi sabi dito, what is the sum of all multiples of 3 between 10 and 100? So kapag pinag-add mo daw from first term to nth term, ano daw yung alin? Ano daw yung sagot? Okay, so we are going to use the formula S sub n is equal to n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n, na kung saan may value na tayo ni n, which is, anong value ni n natin? Okay, the value of n is equal to 30. Okay, so substitute all the given. We have s sub n is equal to, what is the value of n? We have 30 divides 2 times a sub 1, or the first term is 12, plus a sub n, we have 99. So we have 99, and then s sub n is equal to 30 divides 2, that is equal to 15 times 12 plus 99. If you are going to add, what? If you are going to add 12, okay, let's add. Huwag tayong magmagaling, di ba? Okay, so we have 12 plus 99 is equal to 111. So we have 111 here, and then s sub n is equal to, multiply 111 to 15, so times 15, the result is what? The result is 1,665. So therefore, kapag pinag-add pala natin yung mga terms from 12 to 99, which is multiples of 3, the result is what? The result is 1,665. Okay, so next given, find the sum of odd numbers between 2 and 50. So, kukunin daw natin yung sum ng odd numbers na nasa kalagitnaan ni 2 and 50. So, una at higit sa lahat, hindi kasama si 2 at 50 dahil sa kalagitnaan lang daw, at si 2 tsaka si 50, hindi naman yan odd numbers. Okay, as you can remember, odd numbers, di ba? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so now let's proceed sa pagsusulat ng mga given. First, we have a sub 1, and then we have a sub n, common difference, and the value of n. Okay, so now, what is the value of a sub 1? Okay, right after 2 is 3. Is 3 an odd number? Yes. So therefore, 3 is the first term. Okay, a sub n, yung pinakadulo na value natin. Okay, so 49 yung before 50. Is 49 an odd number? Yes. So therefore, our a sub n is equal to 49. So what about the common difference? 'Di ba sabi natin yung odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so let's subtract that. So we have 49 minus 47 is equal to what? Is equal to 2. 47 minus 45 is equal to 2. So therefore, nagtry lang tayo ng mga odd numbers. And then, we find out that the common difference is equal to 2. So, ngayon, nahanapin muna natin yung value ni no, yung value ni n. Ibig sabihin, ilan ba yung mga terms from 3 to 49 na odd numbers? Bago tayo makapag-proceed sa pagsosolve ng sum of the odd numbers between 2 and 50. So, n is unknown. Ayan yung kukunin natin. Okay, so using the formula, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. So, we have a sub, or yung a sub n natin, ano nga yung value ng a sub n natin? Let's substitute the given. So, a sub n is equal to 49 is equal to a sub 1, or the first term is 3 plus the value of n is unknown minus 1 times the common difference, which is equal to 2. Okay, so isolate natin si n. Yung kasama ni n is 3, 1, and 2. So let's subtract this to 3 para ma-eliminate. So magsusubtract din tayo dito. 49 minus 3 is equal to what? Okay, is equal to 3 plus, or let's subtract 3. So we have 3 minus 3 times n minus 1 times the common difference. Okay, so 49 minus what? Minus 3 is equal to what? 49 minus 3 is equal to 46 is equal to, cancel out, naiwan si, and minus 1 times the common difference, which is 2. So, eliminate natin si 2 by dividing by itself, or dividing by 2 both sides. So, 46 divides 2, divides 2. So, we have 46. Okay, 46 divides 2. What is the result? Okay, the result is 23 is equal to n minus 1. Cancel out yan. So, sino naiwan? Okay, naiwan si n minus 1. Okay, so eliminate natin yung kasama ni n, which is 1. So, add natin yan sa kay 1 para matanggal. So, mag-add tayo dito. 23 plus 1 is equal to n minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Okay? So, let's proceed dito sa... Okay, dito lang. Okay, so cancel out to. Tama? Cancel out. Naiwan sino? Naiwan si n is equal to 23 plus 1. That is equal to 24. So, therefore, nakuha na natin yung value ni n, which is equal to 24. So, palitan na natin yung question mark ng positive 24. Okay, so now we can proceed sa pagkuha ng sum ng odd numbers between 2 and 50. Using the formula, S sub n is equal to what? N over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. Madali na lang sa atin dahil nandiyan na yung mga given. All we need to do is to plug in. So we have S sub n is equal to, what is the value of n? Okay, nakuha natin yung value ni n na 24 divides what? Divides 2 times a sub 1, or the first term is 3 plus a sub n, which is 49. So, dito ako nakatingin ha sa mga given natin. Pina-plug in ko lang. So, S sub n is equal to 24 divides 2. The answer is 12 times 3 plus 49. Okay, we have 3 plus 49. What is the answer? We have 52. Okay, so next, S sub n is equal to, okay, now multiply that. We have what? 12 times 52. That is 52. 12 times 52, that is equal to 624. Okay, so therefore, kapag minultiply natin to, the result is 624. At nalaman natin na yung sum pala or kapag pinag-add mo yung mga numbers sa kalagitnaan ni 2 and 50, the result is 624 na kung saan yung number of terms or yung number of odd numbers between 2 and 50 is 24. Okay? Now let's have example number 4 or last example. Find the sum of the first 20 multiples of 7. So, aalamin daw natin kung kapag pinag-add natin yung unang 20 multiples of 7, ano yung magiging sagot. So, una, we should write the given. Okay, so sabi dito, first 20 multiples of 7. Ano ba yung unang multiples of 7? So, of course, 7. So, therefore, okay, I will write given. Okay, given. So, first multiple of 7 is 7. So, 7 will be the first term. Okay, a sub 1 is equal to 7. Okay, so matik na yan na kapag multiples of 7 yan, yan din yung magiging common difference niya. So, therefore, the common difference is equal to 7. Okay, so, find the sum of the first 20 multiples. So, ilang multiples of 7 daw? 20. So, therefore, yan yung number of terms. So, that will be the value of n, which is equal to 20. Okay, so wala tayong value ni a sub n, tama? So, therefore, we can use the first formula that we have. Okay, na kung saan yung gagamitin natin na formula for us to find the sum of the first 20 multiples of 7 is this one. S sub n is equal to n over 2 times 2 times a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. Kasi 'di ba, based sa formula na meron tayo dito, check ba may value ba ni n tayo? Yes. May value ba tayo ni a sub 1? Yes. May value ba tayo ng common difference? Yes. So therefore, we can use this formula for us to solve the sum of the first 20 multiples of 7. So now, let's solve. So this will be the formula that we will going to use. Let's just substitute the values or the given. So we have a sum of the first 20 multiples. Kaya naging S sub 20 yan. S sub 20 is equal to n. The value of n is equal to 20 divides 2 is constant times 2 is constant again. And then a sub 1 or the first term is 7 plus n. Anong yung value ni n? We have 20 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 7. Okay, so again ha, PEMDAS rule. Huwag tayong atat. So we have S sub 20 is equal to 20 divides 2. The result is 10. And then times. Okay, 2 times 7, that is equal to 14 plus 20 minus 1. What is the result? 19. And then times 7. Okay, so isa-isahin natin ha. So we have S sub 20 is equal to, so hindi mo pa pwedeng i-distribute, baka mamaya i-distribute nyo yan ha. So just copy 10 and then times what? Okay, hindi nyo pwedeng ipag-add yan kasi may multiplication pa dito na operation. So copy 14 plus 19 times 7. Okay, let's multiply. 19 times 7. The result is equal to 133. So, plus 133. Okay, so S sub 20 is equal to 10 times. Okay, let's add 133 plus what? Plus 14. 133 plus 14. The result is 147. So, we have 147. So, dito tayo. Okay, so now let's multiply. S sub 20 is equal to 10 times 147 is equal to 1,470. So, if you will going to multiply that, 10 times 147, this is the result. Diba, terminal 0 naman. So, ilang 0 meron dito? Isa. Ano yung mga non-zero number? 147. Kaya, the sum of the first 20 multiples of 7 is 1,470. So, there are some students na kapag alam na nila, hindi na sila nakikinig sa teacher nila or hindi na nila tinatapos yung video kasi feeling nila nagets na nila. So, class, wag po kayong magmadali. Hintayin po ninyo kung ano ba talaga yung tamang proseso. Kasi sa pagmamadali natin, kaya tayo nagkakamali sa solution natin. So, I hope na may natutunan po kayong bago about the finding the sum or determining the sum of the arithmetic sequence. So, good day!